Hey, welcome back to Cuphead's Art, and let's draw something super easy, and this time it's gonna be the baby mushroom from Cuphead. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're just gonna draw his face first. And then from there we can draw the base, so we're just gonna come down, just leave a little bit of space on each side. You're gonna come down and it's kind of rounded off. Okay, and then from there we can draw his eyebrow, so it's gonna be a mean look. So we're gonna draw a little mean eyebrow like that. And then now for the eyes, so we're just gonna come down. Okay, leave a little bit of space so we can draw that little angle in there. And on this side as well, so we can actually draw a curve. Okay, and then, well, let me shade it in real quick so we can see it better. You know, this is a really simple drawing. It almost looks like something from Mario. Okay, so that's the eyes, and for his mouth, it's just gonna be that. So easy enough, right? So now for the top, from the corners here, just kind of come in, and let me shade this in black so we can see it's kind of underneath. Okay, and then from here, we're just gonna draw two curves coming out. Okay, and then from there, we're just gonna draw this one big dome connecting these two lines, and this is probably the trickiest part. So just kind of come up and then curve it back down, just meet up with that line. Okay, and then now for the little details. So this is gonna be really easy. So it's just gonna be one big curve here, another one here, small little oval here, and then one more on the side. And that's it for this super easy baby mushroom from Cuphead. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, share the video if you can, and I will see you next time.